So we're back at another Christmas market with the Birmingham Frankfurt Market. We're excited about being here. This is our first Christmas market of the year, and we hope to make a couple more, but it's really windy out here today. Well, tonight it's really windy, but that means that the crowds are a little bit less. We're looking to have a good time out here tonight. We have the whole family here with us. I'm Karen Malachi, Blair has Mackenzie, and we have the big four. So it's just us out tonight. Really looking forward to having a good time. The first observation is that there are a lot less stalls out here this year than there were last year. Last year we were able to find places selling Christmas ornaments. This time I just see, places set up to sell food. I don't see those ornaments. Maybe they're a little farther down. We'll keep walking to see what we find. Gingerbread. Oh, that's cool. Salted caramel. Two babies, yeah.
Two boys, two girls, a girl.
Boy.
Hello.
And that's a little girl.
Oh my God, that's sweet. How you doing?
He's not happy because it's really windy.
Yeah.
Yeah. And she's asleep. Salted caramel. And then what else? Two of those. What else?
Two of the sugar icing.
Two sugar icing. So can I get two of the salted caramel, two sugar icing, two white chocolate. Okay, so this gingerbread looks really cool. Let's see what else we can find down here. Here's some horns. This is different. This is what I like. All the unique shops. Here's some right here. Horns that have been, look like cow horns. They've done some really cool things with them. That's just so unique. Oh, see, here's some really cool little houses. We have some of these already at our home. I bought them earlier this year, but these are cool as well. Oh yes, the exact same design as what we already have. And here's what I was looking for. Christmas ornaments, guys. I love finding things that we can put on the tree. Hey, don't we have those little houses already?
Yep, we do.
Yeah, we got some. You decorated them today, right, Blakely? But we could find, let's see if we can find some new mice, because we always need new mice. Oh, those houses are pretty. And here's some nice little ornaments. There's some little people. Oh, that's cool. Oh, and here's what I was looking for. Here's some mice. Yep, we found them. We're always trying to add to the mouse collection. Blakely, you pick it out. You like that one? We don't have to have an exact amount to represent us. I always like to get more than one. So get two, pick two. I want to make sure we always have two in case we lose one or something. Oh, they look like the Edgar. He's definitely an Edgar. No, those are little. Let's go with the two bigger ones. Those two look good. Let's get those two. Okay, that's good. So it's cold out here and I keep trying to cover up Malachi's face. And he does not like having his face covered. I can cover his head, but not his face. Some really nice hats. Oh wow, these are different. Kind of the little metal mechanoid. Someone's a really good welder. Well, this is so unique. Look at that, like a baby Yoda. Yeah, a lot of things. Yeah, these are similar to what Granddaddy made. Because you know, Granddaddy was a welder as well. These are cool. Very different, very unique. A lot of really cool donuts out here. Look at these donuts, guys. They look great. But we already picked up some gingerbread, so I think we're gonna hold with that. Here's some nice bratwursts and sausage. Again, it is so cold and windy out here tonight that the lines are nowhere near as bad as when we've been at this before, which I'm really excited about. But we can't stay out long tonight because we do have the twins and they can't take much more of this cold. So we'll be heading out in a little while. Oh, look at these beautiful incense burners. I don't burn incense, guys, but look at these nice little Tudor houses and really like this German style old houses, medieval style, whimsical. It's really beautiful. You know, I've been really thinking about increasing our snow globe collection. We don't have enough snow globes. So let's see if we can find a really cool snow globe to add to our overall collection. Here's some nice ones. Matthew, you pick. Which snow globe do you like to add to our collection? Oh, you like the one with the chihuahua. Okay, that's cool and very unique. Pick it up, Trey. Let's pay for that one. Yeah. Let me see it. The Chihuahua Christmas. So it's cool, we've been able to pick up some snow globes and other little ornaments. I love the knickknacks, guys. That's what's so exciting for me about these Christmas markets. All these little items, you don't need them, but you want them. Oh wow, there's the Christmas tree, guys. There's a really big tree. That is so beautiful. There's an ice rink here. We've never found it. We've been to this one a couple times, and tonight we're gonna take a quick trip down to try to find the ice rink. We won't be able to skate tonight, but we're gonna go look for this ice rink. There's the Ferris wheel. No way I'm getting on a Ferris wheel in this wind though, guys. No way. Oh guys, this is so much fun. But it really is so windy out here. There's a storm coming through, a lot of high winds. So we're only gonna be out here for a little while longer. We're gonna see the ice rink. Here it is, we finally found it. And here is the Ferris wheel. And we're gonna start on our way back from this point because the winds are picking up. It's even higher. We're gonna get the babies out of this cold. So let's head back. this is the point where the alcohol cuts off, guys. If you get something to drink, you can have it inside this area. But as soon as you walk out of there, you can't have any more alcohol. They even have a security guy there to watch. And to enjoy your German beer right in here. But this is a great place to enjoy some beer, guys. It's nice, it's brisk, perfect temperature for a nice mulled wine or some German beer. The wind is blowing my hair all over the place. So last year when I was willing to get into the press, I'm not willing to do that this year. I got the baby with me and I don't want him to get bumped. And I want to keep Blakely, Blair, and Mackenzie and the rest of the boys and safe, you know, out of the crowds as well this year. So there are a few less vendors out here this year, but still a really great vibe. I really feel the vibe. It's really festive. Oh yeah. Guys, if you know of any other great Christmas markets we can catch before the season is over, let us know and we'll do our best to make it there.